Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Happier Me. Today I want to do something special for my family. I want to create this beautiful movie night in my patio, and we have some amazing food that will go with it. So I'm going to show you how I do this whole process. So let's begin. So I wanted to prepare this charcuterie board in a fun and creative way. And I included different types of cheese, crackers, fruits and salami. And this is the wooden platter that I have, and I put all my stuff including the bowls for dips and spreads as well as the knives to cut the cheese on it. I was using these different types of cheese like Gouda, pepper jack and cheddar because they all have different textures. Some are semi-hard, some are semi-soft, and some of them I had to cut in bite-sized pieces and some I left whole for variety. I also included some fresh fruits like strawberries because my kids love it, and some nuts such as pistachios and walnuts, and dried fruits like raisins and cranberries. And this is a spinach artichoke dip from Trader Joe's. I also had this homemade jam that I put in a bowl for dipping and spreading. And then I added crackers, and these served as the base for my meats and cheeses. I think presentation of this matters a lot, and I had to arrange them with an aesthetic in mind. So I started by placing the larger items like cheese and bowls on the board, then I arranged the crackers and salami and other snacks around it. One thing to keep in mind is that you should look balanced and visually appealing, so you can alternate the color, textures and shape, and you need to fill in any empty spaces on the board with extra crackers, fruits or nuts. So this is how my charcuterie board looked like, and it's ready, and I was very pleased with it. Next I cut slices of my French baguette, and I made this olive oil and oregano dip that I would put on my bread slices. This was a surprise movie night, and my kids and my husband were still swimming, so I got all dressed up and made this fancy food for them. I had already cleaned and decorated my patio and put candles and lanterns, and we had these twinkling lights everywhere. And once my husband and kids were done swimming, they were ready to indulge in this delicious food. So here you could see that the kids are taking the food out, and they were all excited to enjoy this movie night with the delicious food. We normally don't drink alcohol in my family, so we decided to make a toast using Diet Coke just to create that ambience. So this is how we enjoyed our movie night. I hope you liked this video, and if you got any inspiration or ideas on how to make an evening special for your family, please share it in the comments, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care and stay healthy and happy. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already. Bye!